happened.
Make sure the front door's closed.
Tell us
They
what.
got it.
Jack needs his phone.
No, wait. I'm gonna
They got a bird.
It went outside.
Where?
Out there. It flew out.
It's in
Yeah,
here.
but where'd they come out?
No, it went out the door. Bryant tried to catch it and it went out the door. It just flat out. It went out the door. There's no hole in it. What the fuck?
Okay, tell us what happened to the bird, Granny.
Remember?
Tell us what happened to the bird.
Who? He can upload it.
What's your
Yeah. Amber and Amber.
We tried to catch a bird, but net had big old holes. Fly away. Oh. Help me.
Brian, Paige, watch her try to get up out of this chair. Paige, watch. All right, Granny. Hey, you did it.
Whew, I did it. I did it. Oh my goodness.
That was fun.
It's fun.
That was lots of fun. That was the best Christmas memory ever.